Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to remove the Microsoft Bing from your Windows 11. So when you search here, you will see Bing options as well as the Bing icon should be showing up on your Windows. So how we can remove it, let me show you in this video step by step. Simply open first of all system settings and then go to privacy and security and look for the options search history, search apps, cloud content and search indexing. Now just disable all of these. Once we disable this, you can see here we have completely removed these. Just go back once and also disable these recommendation offers, and this will not show you the highlighted personalized options here. Now we have removed them. Now we can open the Microsoft Edge and we can remove the Bing from here as well. How? Just go to three dots here on the top right corner and look for the setting options here and then look for your privacy, search and services. Scroll down to the bottom and which says search and connected experiences. So this is a latest video, and option is showing up different way in this. So click on search, address search bar options, and here is the options. Just select it to your favorite browser. In this case I'm choosing Google Chrome, and on the search here just select your address bar. Now we have selected at Google Chrome as our default browser, but it will still show the Bing or the Edge. Open Google Chrome and we need to copy this address from here, and now go to start, home and new page. So click on open custom sites, then click on add site and simply type here the Google one. And now once you type a new page and open an Edge here, the Google Chrome should be coming up here by default here. But still there is Bing on your Windows search, so we can remove it with the help of. So now we can create the value with the help of registry editor to disable the Bing from the Microsoft Edge as well. So how we can do that? Simply open the registry editor here, Edge administrator, and hit yes option when the prompt opens, and now you need to navigate through this path. H key local machine, then click on software and then click on Microsoft, then click on policies, expand that and then expand the Microsoft here. And once you expand the Microsoft here, you need to right click on the Microsoft and new and key and type here Edge, EDGE, Edge. Now on the right hand side you need to create this value here, this one, hub sidebar enable. Simply copy this or you can manually type it on the right hand side, D word 32 bit, paste it here, and the key value should be like this, 0, hubs site enabled. Click OK, and now we can minimize this and open here the policy. As double colon policy. Now once we reload this, as you can see here, hub sidebar is enabled now, and now you can close the Edge. Okay, and Bing should be gone now. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.